Okay, now good morning.
Good morning.
What do you want to make?
Jelly.
Okay. And
We
then,
got jelly ingredients, and I did not eat breakfast yet.
yes. What you eat on your breakfast?
Or the noodles.
Mie goreng in.
Yes, mie goreng noodles.
Yes, sedap mie goreng. Okay, now
Yes,
cutting.
and this one is shiny.
Okay.
It's so shiny.
Okay, now cut your ingredient, please. Oh, it's okay, never mind. Okay, put in. Put in. Yes.
Use white jelly again.
No white, chocolate.
Is this?
Yes. Brown. Look. What color is it? This color. What color? What color?
Like chocolate.
Brown. Okay, put water. Blue, yeah. Okay. Mau put all. Okay. Need one more.
There's still a hole. What is this? Is there tissue inside?
Okay. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Slowly. Okay, also we need sugar. Take the sugar first.
Oh.
Wait.
Where's the sugar?
I'm coming.
I said they had
Sugar. Oh, here. We need sugar.
We need a spoon.
Yes, we need sugar. Yeah, open. Don't do like that. Dirty your hand.
Wait.
Okay, starting. We need 3 spoons of sugar. Nah, take it. 3 spoons. 1. Yes. 2. Yes, 3. Okay, and then stir together. Yes. Yeah, stir together. Chocolate jelly. And then now you finish it. Okay, now put on the fire. Nah, holding this. And the spoon take out. Yes. Okay, put on the fire. Yes. Okay. Then on the fire. Okay, just go up and then till.
Where's this?
Yes, can.
But this is mine.
Okay, take another spoon. Not that spoon. No.
Bigger spoon.
Yes. No big. Okay, this. Yes.
Oh, this one. Oh no.
Yes.
Okay.
This. My ganteng make jelly. Si ganteng buat jelly. Is yummy. Oh, yet boiling. Wait until boiling. Don't too faster.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Not hot also.
Make a jelly boiling. First, wait until boiling. Wait, try to press one. Try to. Make a jelly, see handsome boy. What is your name?
Chin Kun Hee.
Chan Kun Hee. Here we go. Yeah, until boiling.
Try some.
Not yet. Wait until boiling 30. Yeah. Need to boiling now. Need to boiling. Innahu min Sulaiman. Innahu min Sulaiman wa innahu bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Innahu min Sulaiman. Innahu min Sulaiman wa innahu bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Slowly. Yes, wait until boiling. Wait until boiling.
It's done?
Yes, need to wait.
You ask me when it's stuck.
No need to always stir. Just slowly. Yeah.
It's not hot.
Yes, because now it's boiling. Don't show
I'm
much.
cold. So I want that.
Start. Okay, now start boiling.
It's not tired.
Now start boiling. No, start boiling. See, handsome boy mix here. Okay, slowly up because it's hot. Need small fire. Okay, now boiling already. And when we're boiling, okay, off the fire.
Me?
Yes, off. Yes. And then, okay, holding this. 2 hands. Don't.
We need gloves.
No need, no need. Just holding on my hand. Okay, together make jelly, chocolate jelly. Make chocolate jelly. Okay, enough. No. Okay, enough. Enough. Put down. Put down. See, hot. Okay, now start your noodle.
I want need to get pushed.
Yes, okay. Make the noodle. Okay, coming. Okay, make your indomie goreng. Cutting. You know how to cut? Be careful, huh? Yes. No enough. Need to all. Yes. Oh, no enough. No enough big. More. No enough big. No enough big. Need to open big. Yes. My handsome boy make the indomie goreng. Yummy. Okay, open big. I think like this. Need to cut again. More. Cut more. Cut more. Yes, more. Now you pull it. Pull. Hard, pull hard. Yes, very good. And then the ingredient need to cutting too. This one ingredient. Yes.
Oopsies.
Okay. Yes, put in. Okay, now
This is not crispy.
yeah, the ingredient. Now, tears. You know what to make? I scare you don't know.
I want to go get tissue.
Yeah, you always yeah. Now tears. Tears and tears. Right.
I want to eat this.
Okay, you eat the crispy, yummy.
It's yummy. Unlock
Yes, I know.
this special power flow.
You didn't might be not too yummy because not together. I think it's still yummy, same ingredient. Okay, you eat. Slowly, slowly. You like it sedap mie goreng?
Yes. No, this is how you mix it.
Why? Because very yummy.
Yes. Let me try it.
Yeah. Okay, you try that.
It's just too yummy.
Yummy. Very yummy. Okay. Now, what did you say?
Bye.
See you next.
Till next time, make sure to subscribe and leave the like and hit the bell.
Okay.
Goodbye, because we are no money.
Okay. Assalamualaikum.
Wassalamualaikum.